We're going to look at these two problems up on the bottom. They look very similar. Notice that you have a fraction, but notice that the bottoms are both quadratics, and neither of these actually factors. So this is my clue that I'm going to be using the process of completing the square to rewrite this. So the way the fraction is written right now, there's nothing we can do to rewrite it. This doesn't factor. I can't split this up. So another way we can rewrite this quadratic is to complete the square. So let's review how we're going to complete the square. So this, we're going to be rewriting this quadratic another way. So when you complete the square, the idea is I'm going to keep these two terms the same, and I'm going to add a number so I can factor this as a perfect square trinomial. So the way that you complete the square is you take half of the 4, which is 2, and you square it, which is 4. So that's the number that you're going to be adding here. But now this and this are not equal anymore because I still have this plus 7 left. So that plus 7 is still there as part of my answer, but since I added 4 to this side of the equation, to keep this balanced, I should also be minusing 4 as well. So this whole thing is another way to rewrite this quadratic, but now what I can do is this piece here, that factors into x minus 2 squared. The 7 minus 4 I can write as 3. So I can rewrite this as this. So this is another way to rewrite this problem. And once we do the rewrite, now this is going to fit into our arctangent. Your a in this problem is actually square root of 3. Remember, even though I have these flipped around, this is your a, this is my u. Your u is x minus 3. Your du is just 1 dx. I'm not missing anything, so no reciprocal. So this fits into my arctangent, which is 1 over a, arctangent of u over a plus c. There's my answer. So see if you can try number 8 on your own, pause the video, and then restart it to check your answer. So we're going to go ahead and complete the square in this one as well. And the reason I know this is a completing the square problem is you're going to get a quadratic that does not factor. So I'm going to somehow rewrite this quadratic. So if I, oops, this is a minus. If I complete the square, half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1, so that's the number I'm going to be adding. But that plus 3 is still there, but if I added 1, I can subtract 1 to keep this balanced. So this now I can go ahead and rewrite by factoring this piece, and this will give me a plus 2. So the integral can be rewritten like this. And now this is going to fit our arctangent. Our a is square root of 2. Our u is x minus 1. My du is dx. Antiderivative is going to be 1 over a. Arctangent of u over a plus c. There's my answer.